Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Home in Harmony. I'm so excited to share today's transformation with you. We're diving into my 400 square foot jewel-toned paradise. If you've ever thought deep colors would make your tiny space feel cramped, prepare to have your mind completely changed. We're proving that bold, rich jewel tones can actually make small spaces feel luxurious and expansive. Before we start this colorful journey together, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to embrace some serious color magic. Understanding jewel tones. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are jewel tones? Think of your favorite precious gems: emerald greens, sapphire blues, ruby reds, amethyst, purples, and citrine yellows. These are deep, saturated colors that have serious depth and richness to them. Unlike pastels or muted tones, jewel colors command attention and create instant drama. The secret is that they reflect light beautifully, which actually helps them work in smaller spaces. They're sophisticated, timeless, and add an instant touch of luxury to any room, no matter the size. The maximalist mindset in choosing your palette. Here's where we flip the script on traditional small space design. Maximalism isn't about cramming everything in, it's about intentional abundance. Start by choosing 2 to 3 main jewel tones that speak to you. I went with emerald green, deep sapphire, and rich burgundy. The key is ensuring these colors share similar undertones, either all warm or all cool. This creates harmony even with bold choices. Remember, in a tiny space, every element should earn its place, so choose colors that make you genuinely happy and energized every single day. Walls. As a jewel-toned canvas, your walls are your biggest opportunity to make an impact. I painted my living area in a gorgeous emerald green that instantly transforms the space. Here's the trick. Use the same color family but vary the intensity. Paint an accent wall in a deeper shade, or add wainscoting in a complementary jewel tone. Dark colors actually make walls recede visually when done right. Consider paint with a slight sheen, eggshell, or satin, as it bounces light around the room. Don't be afraid to paint trim in contrasting jewel tones for added drama and architectural interest. Layering textures and fabrics. Texture is absolutely everything when working with deep colors. Layer different fabrics like velvet throw pillows in sapphire blue, a chunky knit throw in burgundy, and silk curtains in emerald. The varying textures catch light differently, creating depth and visual interest. Mix smooth with rough, shiny with matte. A velvet ottoman paired with a linen sofa and metallic accent pillow creates that perfect jewel-toned symphony. The key is having at least 3 different textures in each seating area to keep things dynamic and luxurious feeling. Furniture choices in deep colors. Choosing furniture in jewel tones might seem risky, but it's actually genius in small spaces. A deep navy velvet sofa becomes a stunning focal point while feeling sophisticated rather than overwhelming. Look for pieces with clean lines and proper proportions for your space. I chose a burgundy accent chair that doubles as extra seating and a statement piece. Multifunctional furniture works beautifully: an emerald green storage, ottoman, or a sapphire blue bookshelf that divides zones. The trick is balancing one large jewel-toned piece with smaller coordinating accents throughout the room. Incorporating metallic accents. Metallics are jewel tone's best friends. They add that glamorous finishing touch that makes everything feel intentional and expensive. Gold pairs beautifully with emerald and burgundy, while silver and copper complement sapphires and amethysts perfectly. Think beyond just picture frames, metallic lamp bases, cabinet hardware, mirror frames, and even metallic thread in throw pillows. I added brass sconces that reflect the jewel tones beautifully. The key is choosing one main metallic and using it consistently throughout your space for a cohesive, designer look that elevates everything. Statement, rugs, and flooring. A gorgeous jewel-toned rug can anchor your entire space and make it feel larger. I chose a Persian-style rug with deep burgundy, emerald, and gold that ties all my colors together beautifully. In tiny spaces, go slightly larger than you think. The rug should extend under at least the front legs of your furniture. If you have hardwood floors, consider a deep jewel-tone stain that coordinates with your palette. Area rugs in jewel tones also help define different zones in an open floor plan, creating the illusion of separate rooms within your compact space. Art and wall decor. Wall art in jewel tones creates instant sophistication and personality. Mix different sizes and styles. A large emerald abstract painting paired with smaller framed photographs and sculptural elements. Don't forget about mirrors with jewel tone frames. They reflect your beautiful colors while making the space feel larger. Gallery walls work wonderfully with jewel tones. Just ensure there's a consistent color thread running through each piece. Consider DIY options to framing fabric samples in jewel tones or creating your own abstract art. Using your color palette can be both budget-friendly and deeply personal. Mixing patterns with jewel tones. Pattern mixing with jewel tones is where the magic really happens. Start with one large-scale pattern, maybe a floral in emerald and burgundy. Then add smaller geometric patterns and classic stripes and coordinating colors. The key is varying the scale of your patterns while keeping the color story consistent. I mixed a large paisley throw pillow with smaller polka dot accents and a striped blanket. Don't forget about texture-based patterns like cable knit or quilted fabrics. Keep one solid color as a visual resting point. And remember that metallic accents help tie different patterns together seamlessly. Jewel-toned kitchen and dining areas. Your kitchen can absolutely handle jewel tones. Paint lower cabinets in deep forest green while keeping uppers neutral, or add a stunning sapphire blue backsplash. Jewel-toned small appliances, like a burgundy stand mixer or emerald green coffee maker, add personality without commitment. In dining areas, jewel-toned chairs around a neutral table create instant drama. Don't overlook textiles. Jewel-toned dishware, cloth napkins, or a table runner can transform your dining experience. Even switching out cabinet hardware to glass knobs makes a significant impact for minimal investment and effort. Jewel-toned bedroom ideas. Your bedroom should feel like a luxurious retreat. Deep jewel tones actually create a cozy, cocoon-like feeling that's perfect for rest. Try an accent wall behind your bed in rich amethyst or emerald. Layer bedding in different jewel tones. Start with neutral sheets. Add a jewel-toned duvet and finish with coordinating throw pillows and a blanket. Jewel-toned curtains add drama while providing excellent light control for better sleep. Consider a jewel-toned upholstered headboard or bench at the foot of the bed. The key is creating layers of color and texture that feel luxurious and inviting. Jewel-toned storage solutions. Storage doesn't have to be boring. Jewel-toned storage boxes, baskets, and bins can be both functional and beautiful. I use emerald green storage ottomans that provide seating and hide clutter perfectly. Paint existing bookcases or storage units in your chosen jewel tones to make them feel intentional rather than afterthoughts. Jewel-tone closet organization systems or colorful hangers add joy to daily routines. Even simple changes like wrapping storage boxes in jewel-toned contact paper or fabric can transform utilitarian pieces into decorative elements that enhance your overall design scheme. Creating zones with color blocks. In tiny apartments, jewel tones can actually help define different areas. Use color blocking to create distinct zones. Maybe your living area features emerald accents, while your workspace incorporates sapphire elements. This visual separation makes your space feel larger and more organized. Try painting just one wall in each zone, a different jewel tone, or use large pieces of furniture in coordinating colors to anchor each area. Area rugs in different jewel tones can also define spaces beautifully. The key is maintaining a consistent undertone throughout, so everything feels connected rather than chaotic. DIY jewel tone projects. Creating your own jewel tone pieces is so rewarding and budget-friendly. Try spray painting thrift store finds in your chosen colors. A gold mirror becomes emerald, or old picture frames get the sapphire treatment. Fabric dyeing is another fantastic option for updating curtains, throw pillows, or even lampshades. Create your own artwork using jewel-toned paints or colored pencils. Decoupage projects with jewel-toned papers can transform simple boxes or furniture pieces. Even something as simple as painting the inside of bookcases in a jewel tone creates stunning depth and makes your books and accessories pop beautifully. Wasn't that transformation absolutely stunning? We've proven that jewel tones can make tiny spaces feel luxurious, sophisticated, and surprisingly spacious when done thoughtfully. Remember, the key is choosing colors you love, layering textures beautifully, and not being afraid to go bold. Your small space deserves to feel like a jewel box, rich, precious, and uniquely yours. I hope you're feeling inspired to add some jewel-toned magic to your own home. Don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if it sparked some ideas, and comment below with your favorite jewel tone. I love hearing from you.